Hello and welcome to this FVWSH car sales video on this 2024 74 reg VW Polo 1 litre TSI 95 horsepower, very important, Life manual. It's in deep black, which was a factory option colour. Other than that, it's completely standard. It's had one owner who got it in September 2024 from VW Hazelden in Doncaster. He emigrated and I dealt with his dad Roy, hi Roy, who helped me get the car. It's had one service. It's done 11,500 miles in just over a year. It might have a service plan, but you need to check with VW that it still applies. Roy said it did, but I don't think I've got any paperwork for it. But even if I did, you've got to check with your local retailer. Use the reg. So the Life model is the entry-level model. The cheapest VW you can buy, apart from there is one with the 80 horsepower engine that you really want to avoid. A lot of them for sale, excuse the wind, are the 80s, and the 80s do 0 to 60 in something like 15 seconds. This is just over 10 seconds, so it's so much quicker, much more than you think for just 15 horsepower. A lot of those for sale now are 80 horsepower, and they're also ex-rental cars, so generally cars at most point will be ex-rental cars. They've had millions of drivers, they've probably been heavily refurbished. This car has had nothing apart from a quick wash. It's still on its original tyres, which have got loads of tread left. The wheels haven't been curbed, they're perfect. The bodywork is pretty much perfect. You could make it better with a polish, I suppose, but it's still pretty good. It's not, it's not been washed too badly. I don't think front tyres, I'd say 5 to 6 mil there, so lots of life left. Original number plates, front and back. No chips to report. It's got a bit dusty in this wind, but no, that's just dirt. Original windscreen, which is VW branded. Okay, so yeah, if you think it's like a new car, I don't think you'll be too disappointed. Inside, like the outside, is pretty much like new. So even though this is the entry-level car, it's got really nice fabric, they're really comfy seats. We've got this nice new steering wheel with the buttons on it. We have got adaptive cruise control on Volkswagen's cheapest car. Unbelievable auto headlights. We have Apple CarPlay as well. There you go, working wirelessly, but there's 2 USBs down there if you want to charge. We've got the manual gearbox, 5 speeds, complete book pack in there. Nice trim on here, looks really good. Got a very Golf 7.5 type infotainment system. I'm sure it's a bit more modern. 11323 there. We've got the active info display. It's not the big one. You can maybe get as an option. Press the clutch to start, but you can change it like so. I think that's it. But you can choose what's in these left and right things as well. So it's good. Half tank fuel is that economical. It did 60 on the way back from Cheshire on the M6, so it's like what a diesel used to be, but it's a petrol. We'll have a look under the bonnet in a sec. I'll just pop the bonnet now. Let me just show you the rest of the car. So I doubt anyone's really been in the back, so it's like new, original mats. In the boots, no spare wheel, but you get the tyre foam and it's all original down there. Same on this side. And then passenger side. Okay, let's have a look under the bonnet then. So there we have a 1 litre 3-cylinder turbo engine, 95 horsepower. So it's very similar, but just detuned version of the one in the Up GTI. That's a really good engine. They're proving pretty tough, much tougher than say a Ford Fiesta EcoBoost wet belt engine. And there you go, all the stickers are intact, none of the bolts disturbed. Yeah. So the reason to buy this over the ones that are similarly priced is it's a private owner, it's not been a company car or a rental car, it's really important. And it's also the 95 horsepower one, which I don't think costs more to insure. It's actually better on fuel according to the VW official stats than the 80 horsepower version. So you really do not want to buy one of those. Even if it's for a new driver, I think it's just worth paying extra for the 95 horsepower engine because sometimes you need the performance to get you out of trouble. As ever, thanks for watching this FVWSH video on this Polo Life that's just over a year old. If you need any more information, don't hesitate to get in touch with me here at FVWSH. By email, andrew@volkswizard.co.uk.